welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm smart. So this is my YouTube channel. I make content on how you can make money online. So what I'm going to teach you right now is step-by-step process on how you can use Christmas songs, free Christmas songs, to make money online. So that's what I want to put to you right now. So you might want to listen to me, follow me on this course from start to finish. So let's go to YouTube so that you know what I'm talking about. So I want to do a search here, very important. Audiomack will come back here again. I want to do a simple search on YouTube on Christmas songs so that you know what I'm talking about. So Christmas songs or Christmas music, whichever one you want to use. So as you can see, live, 2-3K people watching. As you can see, so it's live already and people are watching, like streaming Christmas songs. So I want to teach you ways that you can leverage on this platform. Well, this is festive season and people are out there on the internet streaming Christmas songs because it's Christmas already. So I want you to leverage this platform right now so that you can make money online. Not necessarily just streaming, but make money online with that thing that you're doing actually. So as you can see, so these are proven fact from YouTube. As you can see, it's streaming. You can imagine. You can see a lot of views are coming on. So just a lot of views. So you can just take time to do a research on it. So what I want to teach you is step-by-step measure on how you can leverage on these Christmas songs to make money easy. Just easy copy and paste method. So what I want you to do right now is to come to YouTube. Just come to filter. If you type Christmas songs, just come to filter, come to Creative Commons. Let me just move it far. My internet is really slow. So these are Creative Commons songs. Creative Commons means that you can actually reuse these songs. Understand? These musics that are here, a lot of playlists here, you can actually like reuse this. All these songs that are here, that's 2 hours plus. You can leverage on that also. 2 hours plus, you can leverage on that also. So let me click on this relaxing music. Let me just click on that. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You know, it's Creative Commons license. It's Creative Commons license. As you can see, relaxing music. So what I want you to do is you just enter, copy. You want to copy this song. So let me close this song. So I've copied it. So if I copy it, you just come down to this place. This is Y2Mate. Y2Mate. You come to Y2Mate. You just go to Google and search on Y2Mate. They will bring it out to you. It's a YouTube downloader. YouTube downloader. Okay, you say YouTube video downloader. Y2Mate will just pop up. As you see, Y2Mate guru.guru. So I'm already in the platform. So I just want to show you stuff so that you know what I'm doing. So you might want to paste this link here. Paste the link. So if you enjoy what I'm doing, just click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification so that anytime I drop videos like this, simple copy and paste method on how to make money online, you just get it straight up. So simple ways you can just make money online with Christmas songs, Christmas music. Very, very important. So what I want you to do is I want you to download this thing. You see video here. So if you see download here, so these are different video qualities, but I prefer you for you to go with this one. But we are not going to download video. What we are going to download is audio. So if I want to come into the audio section, so this may take a few moments, so we'll just wait for you to load. I will tell you the reason why we are downloading the audio, very important, because you might want to use this file to upload it to a site that will show you, a site that will show you. So you might want to stick me with this video from starting to finish so that you can get what I'm saying. Very important. So you have to upload this video to a site so that you can start earning money. You can start earning money. Let me remove this pop-up stuff that are not really good. Okay. You just wait for it to load. Stay with me on this journey. Click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification. So anytime I upload the video like this, you get it straight up from YouTube. So we're just waiting for you to pop up. Just waiting for you to pop up. To take a moment. Take a moment. So okay. You just download. Just come to download MP3. Very important. So okay, it's downloading. This one is just a hard that is showing up. As you can see here, it's downloading. Christmas song is downloading. Okay. So let me show you the site that you can use to make money. Remember, it's the audio that we are downloading. Just remember, it's the audio. So you will come back to this site. Let me close this. So look at the site you will come back to. It's downloading, as you can see. You see, it's downloading. So you want to come to Audiomack. Okay, so this is the site you might want to come to upload the file you've already downloaded from YouTube to make a quick catch. You understand? So you come to Audiomack and you create an account. I already have an account with Audiomack, very smart right here. So what you want to do is you just come to upload. Understand? So these are various musics that people have already uploaded on this platform and they are making a killing from it. This is December and people want to stream Christmas song, so they will just come here. So immediately they type Christmas song, your horns is going to pop up also. So it's just a platform for you to make money. As you can see, 12k, understand? I played it 12k, understand? So it was just uploaded November 26th, so you can imagine. So you can just upload those files this year and you make a killing, and anytime someone views your streams your the file you uploaded on the platform, you get paid for it. So you can also go do this on Spotify. So this is Spotify right here. You can do it on Apple Music. This is Apple Music. You can do it on Tidal. So various platforms in which you can just upload this your free copy and paste, just free Christmas songs and make a killing. Remember, it's Creative Commons, so it's not really gonna work. So this is another website user. So all these are streaming platforms that you can just sign up, that make an account there, and you upload and you start earning. So another thing you want to do on YouTube, let me just scroll so that I just show you quickly. So another thing I want to do here as you can see, you have a lot of views on these Christmas songs right now. So another thing you want to do is to do a live stream. Huh? Is to do a live stream. So you search again. Let's come to this band search so that you see the amount of people that are doing live stream right now. So you understand what I'm talking about. So as you can see, you see 11 months ago, 7.2 million views. So it's the best time for you to involve on this. You can stream online, you can stream on YouTube so that at least now you can get massive a lot of views. You understand? So let me just go live so that you understand what I'm talking about. Christmas songs live. Huh? So this is live 1k. Understand? So you can imagine. So people are just streaming. So you can imagine. 820. So live stream, so you can just live stream. So you can see this is another live stream, this is another live stream. So you can just um, click on this opportunity. You can see this is another live stream again. So you can imagine. So, and one thing I was saying about this live stream is for you to get a capturing thumbnails. As you can see, capturing thumbnails, so that you have huge amount of views, huge amount of views. So to that note, we want to close it up, this chapter. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button, turn on notification. Anytime I upload a video like this, you get it straight up from YouTube. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook also. So I'm signing out. You could take care of yourself and catch you guys later.